In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Google Chrome error message that says "oh snap" and it won't let you load any web page. So if you're seeing this error message and you can't load the website, then there's actually a couple of things we can do to solve this. Now, first step is just to come over to your desktop and right click on the Google Chrome browser and select Open File Location. From here, we're going to double click on the application folder and then right click on chrome.exe, click on Properties, click on Compatibility and select Run this program in compatibility mode 4. Make sure Windows 8 is selected and press Apply and OK. Once you've done that, you can try loading up Chrome and checking if that solved your issue. Now, if that's still not working, come back over to your Google Chrome browser, click on the 3 vertical dots in the top right hand side, scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on Settings. From the left, click on Privacy and Security, click on Delete Browsing Data, make sure Cookies and Other Site Data is selected and change the time frame to all time and then go and press Delete Data. Once you've done this, you'll then need to restart your Google Chrome browser, and once it's restarted, you can check if that solved your issue. If it's still not working, come back over to the settings on Google Chrome, scroll down and click on Reset Settings, click on Restore Settings to their original defaults, and then go and press Reset Settings. Now, once you've done that, you can try loading up your browser and once again check if that solved your issue. If it's still not working, then you can click on these 3 vertical dots, click on New Incognito Window, and you can check to see if you can visit your website from an incognito window. Now, if you've tried all of these steps and it's still not working, the final solution is to come back over to these 3 dots, scroll down and click on Settings, scroll down again and click on About Chrome, and then just go and check that you're running the latest version of Google Chrome. So you can see here that it's now updating my web browser, and that could be the reason why you were seeing this "oh snap" error message. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.